Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the HTML embed Stripe payment button? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get your Stripe HTML embed button anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you have your own website, by creating a Stripe button to embed on your website, your customers can easily check out and make payments using your Stripe account, but on your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to get the HTML embed button so your customers can make payments through Stripe, you have to create a payment link. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. For this video, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. Basically, to create a payment link, you're going to click on this purple icon here on the top right. Click on payment link. All right, once you click there, you're going to go ahead and create a payment link. So you're going to add a product. You can add multiple products if you want. You can collect tax. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and click on create link. Now, once you created a link, let me close this out and go back to the home page. Okay, so now that you've created a payment link, it's going to show up here on the left. You're going to click on payments. It looks like a wallet. Once you click there, it's going to open this menu up and you're going to click on payment link. Okay, so here you can see all of the payment links that you have already created. And to get the HTML embed code for one of these, just click on the payment link. So for example, this one right. Okay, so here is a payment link. So you can see it's a 1-hour consultation for $700. And then here is the quick link right here. If you want to create a button that you can embed as code into your website, you're going to click here on buy button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the HTML embed code here at the top. But before you copy the code, make sure that you configure it the way you like it. So for example, do you like it as a card, or do you want it as just a simple button? You can go ahead and change the language. Underneath it, you can choose to show the supported payment methods, or you can turn that off. So once you've customized it the way you like it and you're ready to go ahead and embed the HTML for your Stripe payment button, scroll up to the top and click on copy code. Okay, so now my Stripe HTML embed code is copied to my clipboard, so I can give it to my web designer, or I can go ahead and install it on my website. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to get your Stripe payment HTML embed code to use on your website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.